Hey guys, welcome to Night Devil Creations. It's getting hotter. And hotter. And hotter. It's 3 digits. I live in Minnesota. We're not supposed to have 3 digits on our temperature. Unless it's like negative. Alright. See you guys here in a second. Alright guys. So, we're going to do a bottle opener today. Let me turn that little light on. Does that actually help? Yeah, that does actually help. Alright. Bottle opener. We got brass, 24 karat, gunmetal, and chrome. And then, these are cutoffs. You guys have seen that one? I guess I could have put the other part of the lollipop in here. But these are the ones I just grabbed. Got a really cool Burl Cappuccino. This is a really cool blank. And then these are just some other, I think this was, Grape Escape. And then orange, my favorite color. Alright, so I'm going to give you a Google warning now. Because I'm going to say the magic words. They got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Okay, Google. Select the number 1 through 4.
Here's a random number. 1.
1. Doing brass. Okay, Google. Select the number 1 through 6.
Here's a random number. 6.
Hey! 1 and 6. Alright. That's what we're turning. Let's get it in the lathe. What do you think, boys? I think it turned out pretty good. I like it. It's gonna look really good with brass too. Alright, so let's set that there. Let's get a tight fit. Yeah, tight fit. Kind of a rough one to kind of push in because of that angled end on there, but let's see what we can do. Ooh. Let's not go all crooked and sideways like it wants to. There we go. That's nice. That's nice. Well, that looks good too. Man. Mind of its own. There, let's get it kind of stuck here. Let's open all the way. Alright. Woo-wee. Look at that, boys. Girls. That is good looking. Google. Yeah. Google did us good. Let's get this on here. Alright, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Start sharing this with your friends and family. We want to sell all these. The website is going. It's going to be out this weekend. So keep an eye out for it. God, that looks so good. Let me know if you like the format of having Google pick the pen or the style or the material. Blah 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 blah. Can't talk. If you like that, so I thought it was kind of fun. Little thing I thought about today driving around while working. So, alrighty guys. Thanks again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow. Peace.